I want to quickly demo a search implementation for searching through a paginated list. So what we have here is an existing reverse paginated list for user messages, and as I continue to scroll up, it will continue to load older messages. Now what I want to do here is I want to implement search through this paginated list of messages. The way it is implemented is I can search for any message here, and it will actually list down all the matching user messages along with the offset in that inbox list where they are occurring. So once I have that information about the offset for the message, I can load that particular page in the user message list. Let's quickly see the implementation for this in the backend. I have a very simple search message call which takes an input of inbox ID, the query, the text that we want to search, and the page. So the result that you see in the search output, they are themselves paginated as well. So as I scroll down, it will load me more search results. And for the output, I have a paged search message result. If you look at paged search message result, we can see it will give you total number of pages for the matching search result. This paginated result has nothing to do with our inbox though. So this is only for the search results. Then we have the content, which is an array of the matching user messages. And then we have a page enable object, which holds our current page and the page size information. So if we look at the user messages, what we have here is a computed field, which is a page offset. So implementation for this is very simple. So once we find a matching user message, we found the count of all the user messages which are created before that message. And then we divide the total messages that we found so far with the page size, and that will give us the page offset. That is it. And using this page offset, then I can load the relevant page in my original list. That's all for this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.